If you want to customize the thank you experience for your customers, this guide will show you exactly how to edit the WooCommerce Order Received page. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin section. Select Add New and search for Thank You page for WooCommerce. When it appears, install and activate the plugin. Once activated, it's time to set up your redirect so customers land on your custom thank you page after checkout. From your dashboard, open WooCommerce and go to Settings. Under the Products tab, look for the Thank You page options. In the Global Redirect field, enter the URL of your custom thank you page. This can be one you've designed in Elementor, Gutenberg, or your preferred page builder. If you'd like to create unique thank you pages for individual products, the plugin also lets you do that. Open a product in your store, scroll to the product data section, and you'll see a thank you page option. Paste the specific URL you want customers to see after purchasing that product. Finally, when designing your thank you page, focus on appreciation and engagement. You can thank customers for their purchase, share helpful resources, or even showcase related products. Tools like Elementor or Gutenberg make it easy to create a visually appealing page without touching any code. And that's it. Your WooCommerce Order Received page is now customized and aligned with your brand, giving every customer a memorable post-purchase experience.